Unlocking English. Master the passive voice. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to explore the passive voice. This is an essential tool in the English language, and mastering it will take your English skills to the next level. In English, we generally use sentences in the active voice. This means the subject of the sentence performs the action. For example, John ate the apple. But sometimes, we want to shift our focus from who did the action to the action itself or the object it was performed on. That's where the passive voice comes in. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action. For instance, the apple was eaten by John. Notice that the focus is now on the apple, not John. The structure of passive voice sentences can be simplified like this. Subject plus be plus past participle plus by plus agent. Let's break it down. The subject is the entity that receives the action. Be is the auxiliary verb, which can take various forms depending on the tense. The past participle is the form of the main verb. For example, eaten, in our previous example. The agent, often introduced by is optional and it's the entity that performs the action. Using the passive voice isn't about right or wrong, it's about style and emphasis. You might use it to emphasize the object. The apple, not John, is the star in The apple was eaten by John. Hide or de-emphasize the agent. In The window was broken, we don't know or care who broke the window. Sound more formal or objective. Reports and scientific texts often use the passive voice. Remember, using the passive voice effectively can add style and subtlety to your English. But like any tool, it's best used in moderation. That's it, folks. Today we've unraveled the mystery of the passive voice. We've understood what it is, how it's structured, and when to use it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using the passive voice in your writing and speaking, and you'll soon master this valuable English language tool. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!